Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Waverly, local and long distance movers near me. Let Waverly top tier movers, 3 Movers, be in charge of your next move within the city. They handle local relocations within a 100-mile radius of the city and the expertise to conduct seamless relocations, ensuring the safety of your stuff. They have a vast knowledge of the city and provide professional suggestions about the neighborhood you are interested in moving to and can coordinate a move in less than 24 hours. They provide professional packing services for their clients regardless of sophistication, fragility, and weight of the item. Their local moving services are tailored to suit you best. In Waverly, 3 Movers are the most sorted long-distance movers, and their team has successfully carried out 1 million moves, providing efficient moving services to clients who desire long-distance relocation into and out of the city. They have the best storage units to ensure the safety of your stuff, especially since your items will arrive at your destination before you do. Their storage unit effectively holds your belongings until you come to claim them. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Waverly moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.